no, Islamic education is the number one in Somalia. That's what Somalia is known for, and that's what, mashallah, tabarakallah, Somalia has mastered. And if I can say anything positive, it would be about the Islamic education here. So, Somalia has over 1,000, I believe, over 5,000 throughout of Islamic Quran schools and Islamic universities. Yes, there are Islamic universities here in Somalia. Many people do not know that, but you can actually get an ijaza in any of the topics of Islam here in Somalia. You are able to study and get diplomas for Quran, for sciences of the Quran, for sciences of Hadith, for Aqidah, for fiqh, for any of the main topics that you're interested in studying. You can do that here in Somalia. A lot of Somalis also go to Yemen, they come back and they end up teaching the others as well, especially when it starts to come into mastering the Arabic language and then learning all of those things that I just mentioned in the Arabic language and coming back and teaching it. So they do go to Yemen and they also come back. When it comes for the children, most of the children is almost like a rite of passage. So most of the children from the age of 4 start to go to Quran schools and they start to study. They will get a small book and they will start with learning how to read, how to identify letters, harakat like fatha, dhamma, kasra, and then once they know how to read the letters, and how to read Arabic, then they will go into memorizing the Quran. And subhanallah, I just noticed the other day how it really does help them. My kid picked up a random book and a random dua book, and he was able, mashallah, tabarakallah, he was able to actually read some of the basic words inside of it. He was able to start recognizing it just naturally. He's not even there yet. He's not even at that level yet. Unfortunately,